Look how big is that banana.
Huh?
Look how big it is. That's a dwarf namwa. Dwarf namwa. So we're gonna take some of the leaves because our Jamaican apple, what is it? No, that's from Jamaica.
Okay, a Jamaican Malay apple.
No, Jamaican apple, that's what Andre said.
Really?
He's from Jamaica, right?
You call it Jamaican apple.
Yeah.
Malay apple. You call it a rose apple or
Rose apple or...
something like that.
Yeah, this is really nice, see? It's growing really good. It likes her because last time we pile our compost here. That's why the bananas... Oh no! The banana fell down!
Well...
But it's okay. It's already... Some of them are ripe already.
It's nice and breezy.
Yeah, look. It's yellow already, but I think... Wow, we just looking this morning. Yeah. And now it fell down.
Cut it.
This is the... Wait, let me go inside. Okay. Look, because it's kind of small, but look how big is the fruit. Here, this is plantain.
Oh wow, you wrapped it around, didn't you?
Yeah, I bend it. Yeah, we were here earlier, but we didn't think that it's already ripe. See, wait! Look! Look, they're already ripe. See? There. This is the first fruit.
That's the second one. That's the one. I'm gonna cut it.
No, this is the first on this one. Careful. Wow, look how big. See? This is my hand. And look.
Chickens like
oh. That. Look. Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's heavy.
You want me to help you, honey?
Wow, that's really big. Wow. So, mukha din po siyang saba, friends, pero hindi po siya saba. This is plantain, but it's different one, you know. From the store, there's a plantain also in the store, but not like this. So, they said you can cook this also green. But, oh, I think I can make a turon with this one.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice that they are ripe already. Wow, we got a lot of banana now. Okay, let's continue. Wow, it's a good thing it didn't mash the bottom. See? Look, natumba siya. Ito naman yung kardaban namin, di ba? Yan. Kardaban namin, madaming bunga. Tapos nakita nyo yung nakuha na namin una. Ayun, oh, may bunga din siya. So, pag natanggal to, hindi na namin patubuan dyan. Kung nakikita nyo po, ayun siya, pinangpuputol ko na. Kasi, meron kaming mangga dito. Tapos gusto ko tong mangga na to para magkaroon siya ng space. Tapos yun naman tumubo sa may mangga, puputulin ko din po yan. So last na din po yung dyan na side. Bali doon na lang na mga side ang patubuan namin. So pag nagbunga tong isa, yan meron ng space yung ating mangga. Yeah, because we like the sugarloaf mango. Pero kahit na may mga saging, tingnan nyo, di ba ang ganda pa rin naman ng tubo ng ating sugarloaf. Pero mas gusto namin yung mas lumaki pa siya para madaming sanga at madaming bunga. So, tapos na siya dito ang tawag niyan? Nagtanggal ng mga dahon. Yan, para may init na yung ating Jamaican apple. Ano matawag? Kanina pala, friends, may nahulog dyan na sugar apple. Kaso maliliit lang sila yung nandito pa. Nahulog kasi super hinog yan na. So kukuha pala tayo, friends, ng mulberry. Kasi gagawin naming We did not bring container for the mulberry.
Huh?
We did not bring container for the mulberry. Okay, wait, I'll get one. Gagawa kami ng mulberry jam. Hindi pa rin siya tapos friends na gano ng mga tawag niyan, putol ng mga dahon ng saging. So kanina ko lang pala to siya friends tinanim. Yan ang ating rolling meron din pala friends, kala ko dati ito ay ano lang na saging, yung hindi nagbubunga. Pero ayan o, nagbunga siya ng maliliit, 3 piling lang. Piling ba tawag niyan? Binawasan niya yung ano, kasi yung ating Philippine mango, ayan, medyo lumalaki na po siya friends. Pero hindi pa siya bunga. Ang ating Philippine mango. Ang ating kaimito. At ang ating banaba or guyabano. Yan ang ating fig tree. Okay honey, let's get the mulberry, our world best mulberry. Ang lakas pala friends ng music ng kapitbahay namin, so naputol niya rin pala doon yung mga dahon ng saging. Yan, pinutulan niya para may init din yung ating papaya na pahaba. Ayan, ating papaya, hindi siya ganun kadaming bunga. Ito pala yung mulberry natin friends. Ayan o, yan yung kukunin natin. Ang ingay ng aming mga kapitbahay. Ang sa kabila may aso na nagtatahol-tahol. O diba kasi ang daming hinog. Tapos may sasakyan pa na dadaan yung sa kapitbahay. So friends, kukuhain din namin kahit yung medyo hilaw pa para makabuo kami ng pang jamba. Kasi meron pa kami doon sa freezer yung nung nakaraan pa namin na kinuha. So yung mga pula pwede na rin yan. Kasi kung gagawin nyo namang jam, lagay ko lang sa baba yung aking lalagyan.
Get the red one.
Why?
Oh, there's too many good ones to get.
Okay.
Get the red one.
So wag daw muna kunin yung mga red ones. Kasi madami namang mga black. Ang dami-dami niya friends. Ayan siya. Tumutulong din siya. Tapos sa sunod ko na video, kasi hindi ako gumagawa ng video friends pag nagluluto ako kasi masyado siyang ano ba, kasi pinapanood ko lang din sa YouTube pag nagluluto kami. So parang gagawa ako ng video, diba? Tapos sinunod mo lang naman sa mga ibang mga cooking channel. So hindi yun akin original. Kasi hindi po ako magaling magluto friends. Puro lang po ako YouTube. Pag nagluluto ako, naghahanap ng mga ano ba, how to cook or how to make mga ganun-ganun. So ayan, ang lalaki niya friends, ang lalaki ng ating mulberry. Diba, tuwing ano siya friends, ikakat namin, ayan mo, tingin mo, diba, mga pag pinupro namin, pag tubo nila, may kasama talaga yan laging may kasamang, anong tawag yan? Laging may kasamang mga bunga siya friends. Pag kinakat mo siya, pag tubo niya, kasama ng mga bulaklak. Ayan o, ang lalaki. Oops. Natabunan na ng nahulog. Ayan. So, gagawa tayo siguro bukas. Gagawa ako ng jam or honey, is it jam, right? Mulberry jam or the other kind? Jelly.
I don't know. Gotta look up the difference. One's got fruit in it, one don't.
Okay. Okay.
One's got like the juice.
Basta kung ano lang yung magawa namin, friends. Yan, ang ating harvest for today ay madaming mulberry. Buti hindi namin to pinapatangkad masyado. Kasi ayan oh, dito hanggang dito lang yan yung mga cut namin. Oh, tingnan nyo.
Oh yeah, you picking them?
Yeah, I've been picking them. So, yep. Yan, madami-dami din to, friends, ang ating pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Yung makuha namin pag tapos na ako pag natapos na namin kuha. Para hindi kayo mainip sa tagal ng pagkuha namin ito. Yan. So, ayan, friends, ang nakuha namin. So, sakto na to pang gawa namin ng mulberry jam or jelly. Kasi mayroon pa kaming nasa freezer sa bahay. So, I think makakagawa na kami nito tonight or bukas. So, I guess that's it, friends, for our video today. Our harvest for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Mag-iingat po kayo. God bless.